Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I want to show you guys a quick little walk around and my first impressions on this 2021 Ford Explorer TImberline. So for those of you who don't know exactly what the TImberline is, basically it's kind of slots in between a XLT 202A and a Limited as far as like price is concerned, and it's kind of like an off-road oriented Explorer. So starting off in the front, you can see the grille is completely different from a normal Explorer, and what's kind of funny is it looks like these might be able to be used as off-road lights, which would be really cool. You also have these orange tow hooks in the front, and this skid plate under here is metal. So they kind of took a little page out of the Raptors book on that one. It also has these redesigned fog lights, which have these, that'd be kind of cool if it was a functional air curtain, but it has these redesigned fog lights which light up really nicely. I'm sure they do. I'll have to check that out at night if I ever get a chance to, because the normal Explorers just have a horizontal LED reflector. This one is a LED projector, so that's completely different. The headlight looks to be exactly the same. It says Explorer in it. I'll have to double check on the other ones to see if it's dark inside, because this one is dark on the inside. So I wonder if that's specific to the TImberline. I'll have to double check and let you guys know. But it's kind of cool. It has this little like mountain range type design in the front right there. Has a black Ford badge, and they all come standard with a 360 camera to help you park and for off-road scenarios, so you can see all around you, all that good stuff. Now these tires are really beefy, so I really like the way these look. They just remind me of police interceptor tires for some reason. But these are 265/65 R18s, and they are black in their design. I think it looks pretty nice. Hopefully you guys can see it. No body colored mirror caps. Again, I think this is kind of based on an XLT 202A, if I'm not mistaken. But you do have blind spot monitoring, and then of course you have your puddle light and camera underneath. We got smart key access on the doors. You also have that keyless entry pad right there. You can see on the quarter panel here, it has this cool TImberline badge on there. Has it on both sides, so you can tell it's a TImberline from the side. And then it is kind of backed up against this wall, I apologize, but you have a TImberline badge right here, and then you also have that trailer tow hitch back here. I'll show you guys, and that can tow 5,300 pounds according to the Ford website. You also have this cool gray painted Explorer badge right there with your backup camera with a washer, and it continues the black Ford badge theme. This one does have an option for a twin panel moonroof, so you can get it with or without the moonroof if you want. But let's go and look at the other side real quick and check out the window sticker. And this is Carbonized Gray. You can see it has a little bit of metallic flake in the sun there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Carbonized Gray looks pretty nice on Explorers. There's another quick glance at the wheel design in the sun. And this tread pattern is pretty impressive, actually. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me see if I can get a better angle for you. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it does have a pretty aggressive tread pattern. And it sits up pretty high. It has 8.7 inches of ground clearance, has a 23.5 degree approach angle and a 23.7 degree departure angle. And then on the bottom there, it has it blacked out. It's kind of cool. Let's check out this window sticker real quick. So you can see up there, TImberline 4-wheel drive. Sorry, I know the sun is kind of glaring on there. Has deep Cypress Active X seats. Like I said, I think it's based on a 202A XLT. Twin panel moonroof is the only option this one has, and it comes out to $48,955. And then this MPG is rated at 19 city, 23 highway, and 21 combined. So this off-road package definitely takes a toll on MPGs, because I know rear-wheel drive Explorers can get 28 on the highway, and the four-wheel drive ones, I'm not exactly sure what the highway mileage is on that one, but for this one to only have 23 on the highway, it definitely does take a toll, because I'm pretty sure that's like Platinum Explorer MPG. I think Platinum Explorer might even be better. I think it's like 19 or 18, 24 or something like that. But again, you're buying it for the off-road package and the cool looks and capability and all that stuff. The only engine that's available is the 2.3 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, which makes 300 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. That'd be kind of nice if they offered the bigger engine, even if they made it like a $2,000 option or something. It would be kind of nice if they offered the big engine for the people that want the off-road Explorer, but they also want the bigger engine. And then maybe make that hybrid an option as well, although that might be kind of counterproductive. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed my quick little walk around this Explorer TImberline. Stay tuned for a full review if I get a chance. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video.